In this short video tutorial, we will start understanding about the HTML programming language, which is used for creating websites. This is the first lecture in the website development series in which we will understand about the HTML programming language. And in the second course, we will understand about the CSS that is used to style the HTML that we write. And finally, we will learn how to create a complete website using HTML and CSS from scratch. So let's start by understanding what is HTML. The word HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, hypertext markup language means first, what is the meaning of a markup language? The markup language means that it is a language that is written using tags. So the markup language means that a language written using tags. So the HTML language is written using tags. The XML language is also written using tags. So both of these languages are known as markup languages. The tag-based format is used for many other programming languages also. So every language that uses tags is will be put in the category of a markup language. In the next video tutorial, we will understand about what tags are. So markup language, HTML is called a markup language because it is written using tags. Now HTML is called a hypertext language. The word hypertext means connected text. So when you use HTML to create web pages, those web pages are connected with each other. Maybe they are connected with each other in the same website, or they are connected with other documents in other websites. So because HTML is all connected kind of a network, so it is called a hypertext markup language. This is the main feature of HTML or website development, that you can move easily from one document to another, either in the same website or in other websites. So HTML is a hypertext markup language, and this is the most important language which you have to learn if you want to learn the website development. So this was a very basic introduction to HTML. In the next tutorial, we will start understanding about tags and all the other important tags that are a part of HTML. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.